imagine you're having a wonderful day. And then somebody drives in front of you quickly. And your story in your mind is they did what to you? They cut you off. Because it's all about me. You never think, wow, I hope they get to their emergency quickly. I wonder whose water broke. I wonder whose kid got their arm hurt. I hope they get there safe. I should follow them to probably help them. You don't follow them. But I'm saying that, right? We don't think about that because we're so obsessed with thinking about ourselves. The reason why we're so obsessed about thinking about ourselves as humans is because we haven't realized yet, some people have, that the only access to joy and happiness is helping others. Because when you're helping others, you're not in your own head. And the universe kind of gives it back to you tenfold. So imagine now somebody drove in front of you, you create the story of they cut me off, they did this, they did that, and now that's you in the left lane. I'm going to show somebody because I can't show them, right? How many of you, if somebody drives in front of you and drives away, you're like mad at them for quote unquote cutting you off? Anybody upset at that person? Okay. Now all of a sudden you notice about half a mile up they hit the red light. And now you're a quarter of a mile away. And now you're an eighth of a mile away. What stories do you make up in your head about what you're going to say to that person? What's that? Yeah, right. Are you going to say something happy to that person, or are you going to give them the Jersey wave or whatever, right?